How to fix Google Chrome slow download speed. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to go ahead and simply open up your Google Chrome application or browser, and then in the search bar simply search for Chrome // and flags. Once you have searched for it in the search bar, simply search for parallel downloading. Once you search for it, you'll then be able to find it right over here. Go ahead and tap on this drop down and make sure it is enabled. Once you've done that, head back to your home screen and then you want to go ahead and right click onto it, tap on run, and then inside run, go ahead and simply type in ncpa.cpl. Once done, tap on OK. And now this is going to open up. Now inside here, you want to go ahead and simply right click on your Ethernet or your Wi-Fi that you're using. Right click onto it, tap on properties. Inside here, go ahead and scroll below, then tap on Internet Protocol version 4. Then inside here, make sure this use the following DNS server addresses is selected, and then in the first one, go ahead and type in 1111, and then for the second line, go ahead and type in 1001. Once done, tap on OK. After you have done that, head back to your home screen and then again open up your Chrome browser, then tap on this three dot icon, then simply tap on extension. Now tap on manage extension and make sure you don't have any spammy extension right over here. If you have it, go ahead and simply remove it. And that's it. That is simply how you can fix Google Chrome slow download problem. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.